Hello friends, today we are going to be looking into how to create action class in Serenity BDD. So I'm just showing that Serenity screenplay pattern. We are following this pattern. This pattern wise only I'm explaining one by one, right? So already I done how to create actor centric test and already explained about how to create a task file also. Now I'm going to be tell you how to create action class. Okay, so without action class we are not able to perform the steps validation. Why it is very important? Because of what are the common action we are applying inside web application. Consider the example, click method, get text, get title, get attribute value, maximize the window, wait time. So this is the common action we are going to be apply inside web application, right? It is not applicable for any specific scenario or any specific case. It is apply for it is applicable for all the web application, right? So now I'm going to be tell you how to create action class inside Serenity BDD framework. So already I created a package name as com.web.action. So already I created two different action classes, which is maximize the windows. This is the very common thing. Once we can open the browser, that time we should maximize the window, right? So this is the action class I already created. Okay. Now I'm going to be create get title. How we can verify the application title? Okay. Right click on this package. Can create class verify application title. Okay. Now I successfully created the class. Now how to implement the task plugin. Okay, implements task. So here you should implement the Serenity BDD screenplay task plugin. Okay, so we are after implement this task, you should get the warning error, which is you should implement that method. Okay, after click on this add unimplement methods, you will be get the default method which is provided by Serenity BDD, which mention as actor and performance. Okay, inside only we have to provide all the task. Now I'm going to be create constructor. The constructor name should be same as the class name, right? Verify application title. So this is the constructor. Next is I'm going to be created the Serenity BDD action method. Okay, using that action method name only we can able to refer this override method. Okay, this actor method. Public static that action method should be a static method. Static and also the same as class name. So then we have to provide that action name. So using that name only we can refer this actor method. So I have just to give get application title. Your wish, whatever it is, you can give here. So it is the Boolean method. You should return any of the one statement. So we are returning the instrument method. Using that instrument method only, we can able to refer this extends actor performance method. Okay, return instrument. So here you can import this net.serenity BDD core.steps. This is the right package. After you can hook instance of, here you have to refer this class name. Class. So with the help of with properties we can pull that the variable parameters. Okay, so here how to pass the parameters. So here what is the parameter we have to pass? Application title means we should compare actual text and accepted text, right? So the actual text and accepted text I have to created the variable, but I'm passing parameter as accepted text. Okay, public string actual text. Next is public string expected text. This is the string variable I have to pass as parameter. I'll just copy this whole thing. You just paste it, and here you just remove the string and put semicolon. Now have to refer this parameter inside constructor using this keyword, right? Expected text equal text. So here you should pass this one, string expected text. So inside, so already I created that actual text, right? The actual text only going to be store that application title, which is the actual one. Actual text equal to. So here in normal Selenium and Cucumber we are using driver.findElement. So in Serenity you forget about the driver. Okay, here how to use browse the web. So already I told you in my task videos and actor centric videos also, the browse the web only going to be perform all the action which is interacting with the browser, okay, which is provided by Serenity plugins. So it is totally different from Cucumber and Selenium. Okay, so this is only we are using Serenity BDD with JUnit. Okay, there is no additional plugin not required for adding here. Okay, if you are adding if you are working with the Serenity with the Cucumber, that time you have to create a separate feature file. But in Serenity there is no need to create any additional feature file here. Okay, so that reason already we created features file under this package. Okay, the features file contains more than one task. So browse the web dot as actor. So here we have to pass the argument. Okay, actor. So here we have to put title, right? Get title. So for testing purpose I just give the sysvo actual text. Actual text. Okay, next I'm going to be validate this actual text and the expected text, which is passing as parameter, right? So how I can validate? Using assert condition. So assert control space bar. So here you have to import org.junit. This is the right package we have to import for the assert condition. Assert true. You just click this the condition. So here actual text put dot equals. So here you can pass expected text. Okay. So now we have successfully created action class. Then you have to put on sysvo both text or matched. If it is not matching, what happened? The execution will be stopped, right? So that reason we are put assert condition. So this is the feature file already we have created, right? After open the browser, we should call this method action class. Okay, verify application title, get application title. Here we should pass parameter as a expected text, right? So here we should take application title, Amazon.in. So F12 here can go up, just check what is the title. or else you can search this title. Yeah, now you are getting title, right? So this is the content. Okay, click on this. This is the title. Okay, you just copy, you just paste here, right? So this is the expected title, should be matched with this actual text, right? Now I'm going to be run this program. Let's see what is the output we are getting. Run as gen test. So already I created this feature file. You just go through my previous video how to create the feature file. That time you will be understand the feature file steps. Feature file creation steps. Okay. Test is passed successfully. See, actual text, both are matched, right? So this is the way we have to create an action class, and we have to implement those action class inside feature file. Okay, I'll just show you. Okay, thank you guys.